Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to put the finishing touches on a woodworking project that you're working on. Now right here, as you can see, I am currently building a mantle for my fireplace. And this is what the front of the mantle looks like. This over here is the top, and then on the other side is the bottom. Now there is a very simple thing that I like to do at the end of my woodworking projects to really put the finishing touches on them and make them look absolutely amazing. It takes them from looking simply great to absolutely amazing. And all that you need is a few things. Now, what I use first is this thing right here, and if you don't know, this is called a nail punch. And what I do is I go over each of the nails that will be seen. I take the nail punch, I just put it like that on top of the nail, and I use a hammer to just give it 1 or 2 hits. And what that does is that actually sinks the nail below the surface of the wood. It countersinks the nail. Now that does 2 things. Firstly, you won't feel the nail. It won't get caught on anything or anything like that. You won't even know that it's there. But secondly, it allows you to have a little bit of space to fill this in. And then what I do once all of the nails have been countersunk is I actually take some wood filler, just like I have right here, and I just take a little bit of the wood filler, let's get a little bit more, on my finger, just like that. And what I do is I just literally just rub it right over just like that, and then wipe off the excess, just like that. Then I let this wood filler dry. And once the wood filler has dried, I sand it, okay? And what happens is the nails basically disappear. Now this looks great in itself, but then once you add another something onto the woodworking project, like when you paint it or when you stain it, it's going to look absolutely amazing. So this wood filler right here actually changes color to a more of a natural color once it dries, as it dries up. I've actually done some spots over here, so you can see right here, and you can see that in the middle it's still wet. That's why it's still that pinkish color. But around the outside over here, it has actually dried. So it's just turning into more of a regular wood color. But it's a really simple thing that you can do, and it literally only takes like 5 to 10 minutes. It's only going to take me like 10 minutes to do all of the nails that you can see on this wooden mantle, and there are quite a few nails. And what it's going to do once I sand it and I stain it is it's going to allow it to look absolutely flawless, okay? So, I mean, you can leave the nails exposed, but it won't look nearly as good as when you fill it, when you countersink the nails, fill it with wood filler, sand it, and then go ahead and paint it and stain it. It's going to allow your woodworking projects to be taken to the absolute next level. And that's basically it. That is a little something that you can do to your woodworking projects to take them to the next level. You can already see right here that as it's drying out, you can see the coloration is changing to the natural wood color as opposed to that purpley color. And that's really it. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section down below what you think about this method and if you use this method when you are doing a woodworking project. And obviously give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And above all, please be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.